Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 77 Lincoln. This is a Ford AM-FM quad 8-Track. Now one thing I'll say about these quad 8-Tracks, when you send them in for conversion, the conversion electronics only have 2 discrete audio channels, so there's no way to make them reproduce quad, so your 8-track will come back only able to play stereo tapes. It won't play quad tapes properly after conversion. And just as an aside note, I hope you guys aren't putting your expensive quad tapes, leaving them in cars anyway. They really need to be, after 40, 50 years, they really need to stay in a climate-controlled environment where they're treated kind of gently. They really don't belong in a car environment. So anyway, let's go ahead and run this puppy through its paces. Customers requested the modern internal conversion with the Bluetooth function, and he was also the first to purchase the cart opening tool that I now offer. And Scott has the dubious distinction of having the one that's the very first one that I offered, number 001. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on. I've got it set to FM, and I have all the station presets set to stations in my area for a quick run through. Okay.
Buen pastor, la última cena.
Okay, that one drifted a little bit. We'll just retune that one.
Famosas enseñanzas.
We'll just try presetting another one here. And there we go. Okay, we'll flip it over to AM. We get one strong station around the middle of the dial. There we go. Sorry it took me a while to find it. Okay, while we've got it on talk radio, let's test the virtual balance and fader functions. So we're going to need our output level meters. Okay, and we're going to activate our virtual front rear fader. We do that by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So let's try that.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. So now the same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front.
There. Let's order from blinds.com.
Okay, I'm going to center them, let it time out. Fader set. Okay, now let's try the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we rotate our tone control twice to the left to activate that function. So here we go.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust. All the way left, same knob. All the way right, left,
Wow, it says
right.
here they can even send a local pro to handle installation.
Okay, center those.
But can we afford custom window treatment? Balance
is set. Okay, last thing to check is the 8-track. Well, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. Do that by giving our volume control 2 turns upwards. Didn't work that time. Let's try it again.
Ready to pair.
Okay, so she said Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. Of course, I don't do a lot of it on the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that it's working properly. Oh, this does also have HD. Okay, let's pop in an 8-track. We don't need these meters anymore. Let's test the 8-track function. Neil Sedeka. Switch tracks a bunch of times.
Hurry on up. Waste no time.
Okay, hit the blank spot there, end of a song.
This advice that I give, it means wait.
Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes back. All right, let's test the dial light. Make sure that's still good. Yeah, we have a nice soft green glow. So she's ready to go back to the customer. And incidentally, this customer also requested my cool little master input-output box. Got your 4-channel left, right, front, and rear preamp outputs if you want to feed it into external amplifier. Got your subwoofer output that you can also feed into external amplifier. And then you've got your aux input right there. So everything is kind of handy on that box. And she's ready to go back to the customer, and I think I'm ready to probably take the rest of the day off. It's Friday, and this is my last video of the day, so I think I will take the day off, or after I eat, probably start working on another job. So this comes from Scott in Atlantic City, New Jersey, and it's out of a 77 Lincoln. And so now everything's groovy. It's all working properly. Naturally, the 8-track will only play stereo tapes after conversion. That's just a limitation of the conversion modules. There's nothing I can do about that, and there's no room to install 2 modules, and there's not a way to make one control the other. So this is all we can do at this point. So thank you very much, Scott, for your business all the way from Atlantic City. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My website and phone number are in the description below. Please visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions. My website is designed to answer all your questions before you even call me, and then that way when you do call me, it'll just be to make sure that you feel good talking to me, that you think I'm a decent guy, that there's no risk sending your unit to me, stuff like that. But as far as prices, options, and turn times, please get that from my website before calling me, and that just gives me more time to put into my workmanship. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Scott, for your business from New Jersey, and we'll see you guys next time.